Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily convert any PDF file that you have into a Word file. Now let me head over to my screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. So guys, you simply want to open up any browser that you may have and type in ilovepdf.com, or I will put this in the description of this video so that you'll be able to easily find this website. Now, once you're there, you realize this website can really do a lot and it's very impressive. And the most important thing is you can use all of these tools and conversions for free. Now we're focusing today on how to convert any PDF file into Word. And right here you can see at the top the fourth option basically gives you PDF to Word. So what you want to do, you want to simply click PDF to Word, and you want to select the file that you have. And right here you can see that I have a PDF file that I'm going to select. So I'm going to select that file, open it, and it will give me the option right here to convert it to Word. Now I'm going to just click that, and within seconds you can see that my file is now converted. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click download, or it will automatically download by itself. And you can see that my file is now downloaded into Word file. Now if I go to my downloads folder, you will realize that I have the file now into docs, and I also have it as a PDF. And that's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into a Word file. And there you have it guys, so easy, so simple. Really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos like this coming every single week. See you next time.